Hello. Welcome to the first episode of the series What's Up Krakow Events. Here you will find information about various events taking place in Krakow in the near future. So let's get started. From July 15th to July 23rd, 2023, the Cracovia Danza Festival of Court Dances is taking place. On July 15th, the inauguration will be held on the outdoor stage at Plac Jana Nowaka Jezirańskiego, in front of Galeria Krakowska. Between 4 p.m. and 7 p.m., various shows and animations will take place. At 8 p.m., the performance Pan Twardowski, Ale Biker, Ballet Cracovia Danza will be presented. As part of this festival, there will be free outdoor workshops for children and youth aged 6 to 18, conducted by dancers from the Cracovia Danza Ballet, Krakow Tańczy Podwozolem. They will take place between July 17th and July 20th, from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m., at Plac na Groblak 23. On the upcoming Monday, July 17th, there will be a Greek dance workshop led by Nikolta Giankaki. Details for the following days can be found in the description of this video. On Saturday, July 15th, from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m., there will be a picnic on Rose Avenue. Workshops and shows will include creating decorations, jewelry and glycerin rose soaps, decorating pots and planting roses in them. Lino cut on second-hand clothing. Please bring undershirts, cotton bags etc. with you. Generating energy using one's own muscles, under the supervision of the Krakow Holding Communally. This weekend also, on July 15th and 16th, as part of the Cracovia Summer Festival, there will be a theatrical performance by Teatra Hura called Academia Pana Piorko on Saturday at 11:30 a.m., and a concert by Jarman at 4 p.m. on the same day. On Sunday at 4 p.m., there will be an open stage at Galeria Cracovia. As part of the annual Summer Jazz Festival, smaller and larger performances will take place daily until the end of July. I highly recommend attending at least one concert in the Piwni Pod Baranami. The full list of performances can be found in the video description. And if you enjoy outdoor cinema, here are a few free suggestions. At Trizistan, located at Filipa Eisenberger 4, screenings will take place from July 20th to August 11th, every Thursday and Friday at 8:45 p.m. You'll have the opportunity to watch the biggest film hits on the big screen, including The Unbearable Weight of Massive Talent playing July 20th, and on July 21st, Competencia Official directed by Mariano Cohen. Both ranked 7 on IMDb. Puro Hotel Krakow Kazimierz at Halaka 14A invites you on July 20th at 8:45 p.m. to watch the film My Beautiful Son. IMDb rating is impressive, 7.5, open-air cinema at Shuvarak, Soska 23, always at 8 p.m. On July 14th, Split, July 16th, Red Dragon, July 20th, Prêt-à-Porter, July 21st, The Hostage, and July 23rd, The Big Short.